To fix YouTube TV not playing videos, start by checking your internet connection. A stable internet connection with a speed of at least 5 megabits per second is required for YouTube TV to function properly. Restart your router to ensure you have a stable connection. Next, check for any outages or maintenance in your area by visiting the YouTube TV website or social media pages. If there is an outage, wait for the issue to be resolved. Then, try restarting the YouTube TV app on your device. This can often resolve issues with video playback. If you are using a streaming device, such as a Roku or Chromecast, try restarting the device itself. Also, check that your device meets the minimum system requirements for YouTube TV. Make sure your device is running the latest software and that you have the latest version of the YouTube TV app. Additionally, clear the cache and data of the YouTube TV app. This can help resolve issues with video playback and improve the overall performance of the app. If you are still experiencing issues, try checking your account status and ensuring that your subscription is active. You can do this by visiting the YouTube TV website and signing into your account. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube TV app. This can help resolve any issues with the app itself and get you back to watching your favorite shows and movies. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the issue with YouTube TV not playing videos. Remember to always check the YouTube TV website for any outages or maintenance in your area and to keep your device and app up to date to ensure the best possible viewing experience.